Hi guys, so today I want to share this product that was sent to me for a review. Elechomes sent me this beautiful, sleek griddle to review. It comes with an LED light up screen, which I love. It also comes with a little dripping tray to catch all your drippings for easy cleanup. Now I didn't really make a recipe with this video, but I did use it a couple of times during the week for dinner. One night I made a steak dinner. I seasoned up a couple of steaks and threw them on there. I also made some smashed potatoes with a little bit of herb butter. Now, because it's new, I had to learn it. It did kind of get a little too hot for me at first, so I had to cut it down. So once you learn the settings, you'll be good. I'm kind of scooting the potatoes out to the side because the inside is super hot, but the edges of the griddle, they don't get hot. So if something's burning, you can kind of just scoot it off to the side. I also made some lime chili garlic shrimp. I took a little bit of lime juice, lime zest, some sambal chili, and garlic, and I marinated my shrimp for a while, and then I put them on here in a little bit of butter. Delicious, you guys. And for dinner the next night, or maybe a couple of nights after that, I made some Oklahoma onion burgers. You just salt up some onion slices and you draw that extra water, and then you wring them out until they're dry, and then you kind of smash them on a hamburger, season it up, fry it onion side down, and the onions get nice and caramelized. So good, you guys. So all in all, I did enjoy using this griddle. Like I said, it can get a little too hot, so you have to learn your settings, but I really did enjoy using it. So thank you, Elechomes, for sending me this griddle. And if you're interested in purchasing it, please check the link in the description box. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.